Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send photos in TikTok message. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm simply going to open up my TikTok app over here. Once the app has been opened, this is how the interface is going to look like. I'm going to go to the section of inbox. I will find their messages and the people that I can text and add a friend with. Then I'm going to tap on their profile likewise. I'm going to tap on this little message icon, and now I'm going to switch to photos and I'm going to send a photo to them. Once I tapped on send, has been simply sent. Now if you try to send the message to somebody else, for example, I'm going to do a search up. This is the person I'm following. If I try to send them the picture, it's not gonna be, you can see this feature isn't available for the receiver because we are not friends yet. If that person also follows me back and we become friend, then I can simply send them the picture that I want. Otherwise, it's as simple as that I've shown. Tap on the best picture option and send it to them. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.